What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stylish KENNA here, and I'm back again with another mukbang for you guys. And you guys already know what time it is. If you know me, you already know, like, my favorite seafood. Y'all, I'm hungry, so we about to get into it. I got some butter sauce. Y'all can't really see my butter sauce. Like, what is going on? I need y'all to see. Enjoy this lovely meal. But we about to get it in because your girl is hungry, and yeah, we about to get it in. So let's say our grace, and yeah. Jesus, bless his food I'm about to receive. In your name, Jesus Christ, we pray. Amen. Thank you. I got me some lemons. Let me roll my sleeves all the way up. Y'all, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat these. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. So yeah. Listen, I got a little bag down here. Oh, this butter sauce. I'm gonna put this right there. This butter sauce though, it's just butter and garlic. I put lemon juice, all that good stuff. So I got these crawfish from back home. It's that butter sauce for me. Y'all, I've been waiting on this all day. I was supposed to create some content outside, but the rain won't let me be great. I feel like I haven't did a muk. Y'all, it's spicy. I ain't even finna try it. Don't look just too not me. Y'all, let me eat for 1 second. I'm so hungry. I don't want to choke. I don't want to choke. Oak. It's the butter sauce. Y'all. So, did I say I got these crawfish from back home? I actually froze them. And I re-seasoned them real good. And they did it right. They just right. How have my mukbang people? How have my mukbang stylish people been doing? I feel like I haven't did a mukbang in so long. When was the last time? Oh, the last time I did a mukbang was when I was eating the egusi soup. Y'all, I've been trying to find me some good egusi soup. I was actually about to try this one particular restaurant the other day, and Mariah's friend mom she would text me that same day that I was thinking about going to this particular restaurant to try the egusi soup. She was like, where do you get your egusi soup? Because I just tried this restaurant and it was gross. And I was like, oh my god, I was literally about to try that restaurant out. She was like, the reviews, everything was just A1, real good. But she said it was not giving. Not giving at all. So I'm very much tempted to make my own. I know I keep saying that. I'm definitely, I just gotta find the correct, it's 2 ingredients that I need to find and get. And once I get that, I'm definitely making it. Because when my sister-in-law makes it, she makes it. Like, and she ain't even near African. She be making it. It be so good and so much flavor. But yeah, when I when I do decide to do that, y'all don't know, I got eggs. This egg really gonna make me full. Y'all, this is really good. I really don't want to eat the yolk because I feel like the yolk gonna make me full. Y'all, this is so good. Like, unless I'm just hungry. This is really good. It's just spice. I did put garlic cloves in here, but I don't know. I might eat these. You never know. I do not know. So y'all, the next, I'm gonna post this video either today or tomorrow. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Cinco de Mayo. I might go get some tacos too and do another video. I don't know, but when y'all see this video, stay tuned to the video. Stay tuned for the video after this, because I will be posting 2 giveaways, one for my birthday and one for Mother's Day. If you're a real OG, you already know when my birthday is. So make sure y'all share the video and subscribe so you won't miss out. Turn them notifications on for one, so you won't miss out. But yeah, I'm doing 2 giveaways. Oh my gosh. So my bad, y'all. But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned, because well, I said y'all, these bugs spicy. They definitely got a kick to them. So yeah, I'm giving away one for my birthday and one for Mother's Day. And I really want to go ahead and do that video. So I'll probably just do a little small little introduction of the giveaway. Post that so I can go ahead and choose a winner out for Mother's Day. Because Mother's Day right around the corner. So I want, or even if, you know, most importantly, the one for Mother's Day, I would rather go ahead and get one of them at least sent on out. The one for my birthday can kind of like wait like the week after, but I'm gonna still do the giveaway. Like it's still gonna tie together. Cause y'all, you know, you can win. If you want to win a giveaway for your mama, anybody, you know, just to give it away. So yes, stay tuned for that one, because you don't want to miss it. I just love giving away stuff, being in a giving mood. I don't mind. Somebody had said, why are you giving away these wigs and bundles? Like, you need to keep them. Y'all, like, When I say so good, y'all gotta know how to eat these things. You don't even really have to peel them. Not necessarily. All you gotta do, pinch the end. Once you pinch that end and grab a hold, okay, that was a little hard. That whole meat come out. But y'all, I work with so many brands, so many hair companies on a daily, and they send me bundles and wigs, not even just for me to promote, for me to just test out and see what type of hair, you know, if I like the hair, get them feedback and a review on it. That's all they want. Some of them, like the ones y'all see me actually posting, doing videos, those are the brands that I actually have to, you know, post a YouTube video on. They want to see your Instagram, and I'm actually getting paid for those. But half of the time, feedback. I'm very knowledgeable when it comes to like hair and stuff like that, because if you're new to my channel, you know that I did own a hair company. I had buku wigs. Not a hair company, pretty much a wig company. So I had buku wigs that I was selling, literally making good amount of money off of selling wigs. But I used to run like wig specials. On my bob wigs, they used to go for $100. Used to sell out every time. So I am very knowledgeable when it comes to like good hair. So when I do reach out to brands, or brands do reach out to me, I'm very like detailed on, you know, what I do tend to look for when they do send me out their products, and they be wanting me to just test the hair. So however, I can't wear, I do let them know I really don't wear bundles at all. I don't wear bundles. I can't tell you the last time I had a sew-in. If anything, I'll do a ponytail, but I haven't had a sew-in to where if I needed bundles, but you know, giving away. Now I'm smacking. I hope my mic is plugged in. I just thought about it. Yo, this is so good. Y'all, this egg is good. Ooh, gee Louise. That y'all have been enjoying my vlogs. The last 2 vlogs I actually posted did really good. I know that, you know, I got some new subscribers, so thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I do post every week. I try to post 2 to 3 videos a week. So you guys won't lose track on my channel, so y'all can like, oh no, or whatever. So like post, so y'all know. But engage with your girl. Let me know what type of videos y'all do enjoy and want to see, so I can deliver that for y'all. I've been seeing a lot of people say they really have stopped like doing YouTube because they lost track of their niche. Pretty much, like, if y'all don't know, pretty much like if you start off doing like one thing on the channel, like people pretty much don't want to see that no more, so they kind of like branch off doing something else. But the other stuff that they doing, people not really watching it, so they just kind of like you know, just stop overall. And I was thinking like, dang, that's crazy, because I remember for so long when I first started, I was thinking to myself like what type of videos I wanted to put out, trying to find my niche, just trying to like grab that audience that one particular audience that I wanted to, you know, catch hold to. And I just could never like wrap my mind around finding one niche, because I'm the type of person, I just can't stick to one thing. Like, I have to be doing like something else different. I'm very creative and so many other things, so I just couldn't see me doing one thing and like calling it, like, I just couldn't do that. So that's why I never, like, when I used to ask for like feedback on my channel to like people. I remember paying people like, hey, can you give me feedback on my channel? And they would all say, I think you should narrow your channel down to like a niche. You should like stick to one thing and just do that first, and then whichever videos like kind of get the most, then you'll kind of know. And I was just like, that's just so hard for me, because I can't just do one thing. I'm so talented in so many other, like, even though I wanted to do beauty, I did kind of was like doing my makeup. Beauty can be like so much other things, like skincare, makeup, your hair, things like that. So I was really good at doing hair, because that's what, you know, I originally was doing on my channel, was my hair. But I also wanted to vlog. When I remember watching my first mukbang video, and I wanted to do mukbang. Like, I want to eat on the camera too. You know, I enjoy watching other people eat, so I wanted to do it too. So, and it's like, now looking back, like, dang, I'm so glad that I didn't just stick to one thing, because at the end of the day, I enjoy doing so many other things. Alright, I couldn't see me just on here just doing hair all day long. My whole channel is just hair. That get boring. You know what I'm saying? I just thought you have to change. People like change, so I tend to do like different stuff on my channel. But it's so crazy, because now every time I see one person in particular, she has a big following, and now she's saying on her channel, ditch the niche. Like, get on here and do what you gotta do. Don't be focused on a niche, because the niche is pretty much gonna get you messed up. Not necessarily messed up, but you're gonna be stuck doing one thing, and when it's time to like venture off, it's gonna be hard to, you know, maneuver. People gonna only want to see you do that one thing, because that's what they came here for. So yeah, and it's so crazy, and I'm like, dang, that's crazy, because I literally remember big YouTubers and everybody was like, your niche, find your niche. Like, find that one thing and stick to it. Like, you have to find that one thing. Like, you can't be all over the place doing this YouTube thing. And it's just like, and I used to beat myself up, because I'm like, I just can't do one thing. So I used to be like, hey, I'm finna upload what I want to upload. Like, I can't sit here and be like one thing. So y'all, I'm full. But I'm also pretty done. I don't know if I'm baby eat no taco. Maybe later. It's kind of early still. But these pretty much are just claws in here. What are your Mother's Day plans? I hope y'all got Mother's Day plans. Mother's Day plans. I really don't have Mother's Day plans either. Like, what am I talking about? I just tend to spend time with my child at the end of the day, because if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be celebrating. So I'm definitely gonna spend my day with her, my time with her on Mother's Day. I do have something planned prior to that, but yeah. I'm so full, y'all, but I'm gonna finish this on up, cause it's pretty much gone anyways. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is pretty much it. This video, I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang, this crawfish mukbang. Y'all, I'm so full. Make sure y'all stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for the giveaways. I'm doing 2 giveaways this week, Mother's Day and for my birthday. So make sure y'all subscribe and share the channel, so you know, whoever, y'all might know somebody that want to participate in this giveaway. But just not only that, I will be doing several giveaways as this year go on, as next year go on. I'm gonna stay always giving, especially to my supporters, for the ones who support me and the ones who actually comment and let me know that you're here. I know everybody don't like to comment, but for the ones that do comment, I see your comments, I reply back to you guys. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, share the video, so turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys having a safe Cinco de Mayo. Be safe out there, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next mukbang.
Pretty girl with some skills, I can be anything with all this melanin. Get to the top, I'm balanced, I'm leveling. Red under my heels, I ain't stumbling. You nigga wanna buy me Chanel, Dior, Versace.